Hi gang, Poppy here. This is Heart Health 8. Waiting. You would think about it real hard. When you have heart disease, you're going to do a lot of waiting. Waiting for the bus to take you to, across town to the hospital. Waiting for some test. Waiting to talk to your doctor. Waiting for surgery. A lot of waiting. That's not always bad. With heart disease, shit happens at warp 9 speed. Literally. Like that. You can be gone. Sorry about eating in front of you, but I'm not waiting. I'm just hoping I don't have to take an ambulance ride. Or even another helicopter ride before this surgery. And like I told my doctor, I will not hesitate. I've had a couple of doctors tell me that you wait too long to dial 911. No more. Now that I have the world's best interventional and general cardiologist, I'm not going to take stupid chances by waiting too long. To acknowledge that something is wrong. If you're wondering about the spuds, it could be pork chops. Whoa, yeah. Bluefin tuna. Nice charcoal grilled bluefin. Watch your over here. Watch your cholesterol go. And it's funny because cholesterol is animal fat, right? Fish aren't animals. Wrong. They are. Fish aren't fat. They have what you call crypto fat. It's there, but you can't see it. Because the fish don't store their energy bank account the way mammals do. Birds. You ain't gonna find adipose filled with oil in fish. The oil's gonna be evenly distributed through the tissues, especially in things like cod, salmon, and all that. Those deep water, deep cold water fishes. The ones that are good for your heart. Not your tunas. No. Those shallow warm water fishes are bad. The heart. Anyway, like I said, waiting. Get to like waiting, because cacking can happen at real shocking speed.